We journey to a secluded paradise in Southeast Asia. Cambodia, known for ancient temples and lush landscapes, also hides breathtaking islands. Join me as we explore one such gem, a place where time seems to slow down. Get ready to uncover pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and a vibrant culture. Our destination is Koh Rong Samloem, an island off the coast of Sihanoukville. Unlike its bustling neighbor Koh Rong, this island offers a tranquil escape. Prepare to be captivated by its untouched beauty and laid-back charm. Whether you seek relaxation or adventure, Koh Rong Samloem has something for everyone. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of this island paradise. Koh Rong Samloem boasts some of the most stunning beaches in Southeast Asia. Imagine powdery white sand that stretches as far as the eye can see. The crystal clear turquoise waters gently lap at the shore, inviting you for a refreshing dip. One step onto the beach and you'll feel your worries melt away. Saracen Bay, located on the western side of the island, is a sight to behold. This sweeping bay is home to several resorts and restaurants, but don't worry, it retains its natural splendor. Lazy Beach, on the other side of the island, lives up to its name. Here you can swing in a hammock under swaying palm trees, or simply soak up the sun in blissful tranquility. Koh Rong Samloem offers more than just stunning beaches. Adventure seekers will find plenty to keep them entertained. Explore the island's lush interior on a jungle trek. Discover hidden waterfalls and encounter exotic wildlife along the way. The island is a haven for snorkelers and divers. Dive into the underwater world and marvel at vibrant coral reefs. Swim alongside colorful fish and maybe even spot a sea turtle or two. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a boat trip to nearby islands. Go fishing with local fishermen or try your luck at catching squid at night. Section 4. A glimpse into local life. Immerse yourself in the local culture of Koh Rong Samloem. The island is home to a small fishing community. Experience their traditional way of life firsthand. Visit the fishing village of Mpai Bai on the northern tip of the island. Here you can witness the daily catch being brought in, interact with the friendly locals, and learn about their customs and traditions. Indulge in a traditional Cambodian meal at a local restaurant. Savor the fresh seafood and aromatic flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Koh Rong Samloem offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and experience authentic Cambodian hospitality. Section 5. Treasures of the Past. While Koh Rong Samloem is best known for its natural beauty, it also holds remnants of the past. Head to the southern tip of the island to discover the ruins of a former lighthouse. Built by the French in the early 20th century, the lighthouse offers panoramic views of the island and the surrounding waters. Explore the overgrown structures and imagine the stories they could tell. The island's history is intertwined with tales of pirates, fishermen, and early settlers. Ask the locals about the island's folklore and legends passed down through generations. These stories add another layer of intrigue to this already captivating destination. Section 6. Your Cambodian island escape beckons. Koh Rong Samloem is more than just an island, it's a state of mind. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a cultural immersion, this island paradise has it all. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of Koh Rong Samloem. Trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Remember to tread lightly and respect the island's natural beauty. Let's keep this paradise pristine for generations to come. Until next time, happy travel.